Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike from SPECTRE Comics. Today we're going to just do a quick unboxing video. SPECTRE Comics issue 6 has arrived. I just wanted to share that with you. A couple videos ago we placed the order online. It was May 22nd, 2021. On June 22nd the package arrived, so literally 1 month from the day we placed the order till the day that this box arrived at my house. So we just wanted to do a quick video, show you what the comics look like now that the order has been fulfilled, and see how the comics turned out. So let's open the box. So let's just do a quick opening of this. Package comes U.S. Postal, United States Postal Service packaging. This is a little different than I've seen before. They normally package their comics with shredded pages they've discarded. Color test. They've actually packaged it to protect the corners. I actually like this. They put this cardboard around the comic with some desiccant. These little edges protect the corners from getting smashed, so I kind of like that. So I ordered 25 copies. So this was the normal packaging they had, this shredded comics, but it looks like they just used that as a bed and then packed the package all around. It comes fully wrapped, and then it's got these strips. It looks like they printed it in 2 bunches here, or packaged it in 2 bunches. So it's wrapped in plastic, and then these little strips keep everything together. So little invoice, some promotional material from Kablam, and a bookmark in case I wanted to use that bookmark. I actually have a bunch of SPECTRE bookmarks, but I appreciate the gesture. And let's just quickly open the plastic wrap here. So the books look really nice. Again, black and white comics, but full color cover. So this is what issue 6 looks like, front and back. I've laid out SPECTRE Comics issues 1 through 5 here, so now I can add issue 6 to the collection. Everything looks really nice. So consistency of colors, consistency of style. But yeah, SPECTRE Comics issue 6 looks amazing. Let's just look at the inside. Again, a really nice job with the printing and the binding of the book. Everything came out really nice. The colors, the lines are very sharp. The blacks are black, the whites are white. So a cheaper way to go than printing on white paper, the kind of paper that Kablam uses, is to go with a newsprint. You get a much cheaper comic, but that's more of a traditional comic. You know, that's why they can price comics in the comic book store at such a low price, like $2, $3. But the paper, newsprint, is a lot thinner of a paper. It's not as high of a quality. I want my books to be printed on a nice, higher quality paper. So that's why I use this type of paper in my comics. If I ever wanted to kind of mass produce them, I might think about going the newsprint route, but I really like the way this looks. The book came out really nice. I can't wait to get it on my table at Comic-Con. I just heard Comic-Con is open, Wizard World Chicago, in October, so I'm going to probably try to get a table for that show, and we'll get this book on the shelves for everybody to come see. So that's all I wanted to show you. A quick video today. Just wanted to do an unboxing of issue 6. So glad it finally arrived, and got another video coming up pretty soon, so don't miss it. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you next time. Thanks.